students. So in the last class, in the last session, we have seen what is structure. Next, defining a structure. Okay, so structure can be defined. So in my example, okay, so I defined one structure. So here structure can be defined by using struct keyword, and structure definition should be closed with a semicolon. Okay. Next, structure combines different data type variables in a single unit. Okay. So this is defining a structure. So here roll number, name, marks, these are what? Variables, and these variables are called here members. These variables are called members of structure. Okay. So here, so if we declare one variable as struct student type, then only the memory will be allocated for these members. Okay. So if you have not declared a variable, then the memory will not be allocated for structure members by the C compiler. Okay. So clear? So here S1 is called object. Okay, S1 is called as object or reference variable. Or structure variable. Okay. So clear, this is about defining a structure. So up to now just the memory is allocated. Okay. So we are not assigned any values. Next we will see initialization of a structure. Okay. So here one more important pointer, array elements are stored in a sequential memory locations. In the same way, okay, the structure elements also stored in a sequential memory locations. Okay. And next, initialization of a structure. So initialization of a structure means here structure can be initialized at compile time. That means we can give elements. In the program. Okay. And whenever you are giving elements, you should remember one point. So we can give elements. We can give structure elements in the order which we declared. Okay. So here first we declared roll number, then we declared name variable, then we declared marks. Okay. So here I am assigning some elements to these members. So here I am using assignment operator equal. Curly brace, same as single dimensional array initialization. Okay. So here we can give elements to structure variable in the order in which we have declared the members. Okay. So roll number, first member is what? Roll number. For suppose roll number 101, comma, or roll number 10. Okay. Name. So name string must be enclosed within the double quotes, comma, marks, for suppose 500. Okay. So here S1 is the reference variable. I already told S1 is the reference variable. Okay. So here 10 will be stored into first location. Next is Steve. So how many slots allocated on? Okay. How many memory locations are there? Total 20. Okay, 20 slots allocated. So Steve, S-T-E-V-E, and the last position filled with null character. Okay. Next 500. So clear? So this is initialization of a structure. Okay. Next, accessing members. Accessing members of a structure. Accessing members of a structure. Accessing members of a structure. Here, structure members, roll number, name, marks. So structure members are accessed. Okay, structure members are accessed with the. So how can we access structure members? How can we access structure members? So here, structure members. Structure members can be accessed. Structure members can be accessed with the direct access operator. Sorry, structure members can be accessed with the object. Okay, object with the direct access operator. Direct access operator. Here direct access operator is daughter, or indirect access operator. Indirect access operator. Okay. So structure members can be accessed with the, we can't access structure members directly. Okay. So structure members can be accessed with the object. Okay, with the help of object only we can access structure members. Object with direct access operator or indirect access operator. Okay. First we will see accessing members with direct access operator. How to access members with direct access operator. Accessing members with direct access operator. Accessing members with direct access operator. Okay, so here I want to access members with direct access operator. Okay, so I want to access as well as I want to print. Printf. First member is what? Roll number. Okay, so what is the format specifier here? %D. Okay, within the double quotes you have to write %D format specifier, comma. First, okay, the name of the variable, name of the member, roll number. So here structure members can be accessed with the object. Okay, object here what? Object is S1. Object with direct access operator. Direct access operator symbol is what? Daughter. Then we have to write the member name, S1 dot roll number. So here clear. Structure member can be accessed. Structure member can be accessed with the object. Object means structure variable here. Okay. Object, direct access operator, member. Okay. So here roll number, how much? 10. So 10 will be displayed on the screen. So this printf statement prints what? 10. So before 10 I want to display roll number is equals to, okay, RNO colon is equals to, or RNO is equals to %D. So likewise, so we can access remaining structure members also. Next member is what? Name. Okay. So format specifier %S, comma, S1 dot name. Name is equals to %S. So this statement prints name is equals to Steve. Name is equals to name. Okay. string. Next, printf marks. So marks is equals to, so here format specifier %d. So if you want to print line by line, just here we have to use \n. So here no need. If you want to write, you can write. Okay, s1 dot member name marks. Okay, so after executing this statement, marks is equals to 500. So clear? Accessing members with direct access operator. So here structure members can be accessed with the object, direct object name, direct access operator, and member name, variable name. Okay, so here we are accessing elements by using direct access operator. Okay, next we will see accessing members with the indirect access operator. Okay, so in place of direct access operator, here we use indirect access operator symbol. Okay, so here we are accessing structure elements by using pointer to structure. We are accessing elements by using pointers to structure. Okay, so clear? This is about initialization. Okay, initialization of a structure. Okay, initializing a structure and accessing members of a structure. Okay, so clear? Right, so we will see one program. So program to demonstrate structure. Program to demonstrate structure. So command line, right? So next, header file. Include stdio standard input output header file, include con.io header file. Next, here I am defining a structure, struct student. Okay, struct student. So this is global declaration. Enter roll number, char name. Here I am declaring only two variables, roll number and name. So if you want, you can declare marks variable also. If you want to read marks, you can declare marks variable. Okay, same as before example. Okay. Next, so to allocate memory for these members, we need to declare one variable. Okay, we need to declare one variable as struct student tab. Okay, struct student yes. Okay, so before we have seen compile time initialization. Now in this program I will explain runtime initialization. Okay, CLR to clear the output screen, right? Now I want to read elements. Okay, I want to read elements. Okay, reading elements into structure members. So for that, here I am using printf function. Printf, I want to display text message on the screen. Enter what? Roll number. enter roll number. So after reading this message, the user will enter number. Okay, so suppose if we execute this program, okay, if I execute this program, first this message will be appeared on the screen, enter roll number. So after reading this message, after reading that message, the user will enter number. Enter roll number means the user entered 10. So I want to read that number, I want to read that element and store that element into this location. Okay, now scanf. So format specifier %d comma and percent. So how can we access structure members by using object? So here not S1, S by using object direct access operator, next member name. So what happens here? So the first element scanf function will read this number and that element will be assigned to, okay, this particular location. Okay, address of first member location. So 10. Suppose 5000. Okay. So address of s dot roll number means roll number address is 5000. So the first element will be stored into first location. Okay. Next, I want to read name also. Enter name. Scanf. Format specifier. To read string we use. To read the string we use %s format specifier and %s dot name. Next, I want to read marks of a student. Enter marks. Okay, so enter name. Enter name. For suppose Steve, name is Steve. Okay, so Steve will be stored here. Next, to enter marks. Enter marks. For suppose 500. So scanf %d comma and %s dot marks. Okay, for suppose marks 500 stored into that location. So this is reading elements, reading structure elements from keyboard. Okay, so next I want to print all those elements on the screen. Okay, so printf. First I want to print a roll number. Okay, roll number is equals to format specifier %d \n s dot roll number. So clear, structure members, remember, always remember only one point. Structure here, structure members can be accessed with the object name, direct access operator or indirect access operator. Okay. Next, printf name. Name is equals to %s \n comma s dot name. Next, I want to print marks. So marks is equals to %d, okay, comma s dot marks. So here, so all these statements are used for reading elements, and these last three statements are used for printing elements on the screen. Okay, so this is the program to demonstrate structure. Okay, structure definition, object declaration, structure variable declaration, reading elements from the keyboard, and printing elements on the screen. Okay, thank you.